Thanks, Spencer. Jamaica's management and the coaching staff have lauded the athletes for their outstanding performances at the recently concluded World Under-20 Championships. Part of the delegation to the championship, which had a medal haul of 11, including 3 gold, 6 silver and 2 bronze, returned to the island on Wednesday. After more than 20 hours of travel from Nairobi, Kenya, the Jamaicans were a weary but happy bunch when they touched down at Kingston's Norman Manley Airport on Wednesday. Among those arriving was the Clayton twins Tina and Tia. Tina sped to gold in the 100 meters, then teamed up with a team which included her sister Tia to set a new World Under-20 record.
Well, I feel really great. It was a very wonderful experience to know that I got there and I did my best and made my family proud. All those who have supported me through the way, proud.
Well, it feels very great knowing that we both got to come home with a medal, and it feels very great.
16-year-old Jaden Hibbert was among the standout performers after remaining calm to snatch silver with a personal best mark in the triple jump.
16.05 meters is not easy to jump, but with God, I accomplished it. I was kind of expecting it, but my nerves brought me through the most because it really pushed me. And I have to give thanks to God for this opportunity to receive a silver medal, especially to be the youngest in the field, only 16 years old with 2 more years awaiting. Feels really good knowing that I have second chances to build on this silver medal and on my PB.
Sanjay Davison was part of Jamaica's sprint relay men's team, which won a silver medal.
It's a tremendous feeling for me to know that I could go out there and represent my country on the international stage and get a silver medal. So it's really a great feeling.
Field events coach Marlon Gale and J3's Vice President Ian Forbes were full of praise for the team.
Based on our performance, certainly it is one that we are all proud of, and we hope that the Jamaican population likewise is also proud of it.
First of all, travel was rigorous. They traveled for over 20 hours. And of course, in the pandemic, it just made things even that more difficult. Of course, you know, we would have been affected by some positive cases. But despite all those challenges, our youngsters rose to the occasion and did their country proud.
Another 15 athletes and 1 official also returned to the island on Thursday. 9 members of the delegation tested positive for COVID-19 and will not be cleared to travel until September 2, with members of the medical and management teams remaining with them in Nairobi.